Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas, aka Durismas. This is my 31-day video marathon for the month of December. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you do enjoy. We're diving right in, you guys. I just received my PR Ipsy and my Boxycharm by Ipsy, aka Ipsycharm, for the month of December. And the theming for December is Unwrap Joy. This season, we want you to find joy in small moments and feel wonder at every turn. So we're hooking you up with delightful surprises and beauty galore to ensure the holidays shine as bright as your glittery eyeshadow. So there is our theming. If you are unfamiliar with the Glam bag, it is 5 deluxe beauty samples. As members, we get to choose one product, and I do still get my paid for bag, you guys. It is up to $70 value, and it is $14 monthly. Our Boxycharm is 5 full-sized beauty products. We as members get to choose 3 of those products. It is a value of up to $200, and it's $30 monthly. And with all that being said, I hope this month to see some reds, some greens, some sparkle, some shimmer, maybe something to give us like smoky looks or glam looks going into like the new year, things like that. I'd also like to see some really nice skincare. I will go into the OG or the original Ipsy Glam bag first. This one I have received myself and paid for since 2015, so I've gotten it for a very long time. I've always said too with the Glam bag that I feel like I get the best bang for my buck with these types of subscriptions, and I really love the Glam bag because I like the bags, I like to travel with them, I like to gift them, put them in giveaways, things like that. But we travel to see our son, we go on vacation, and I like to have the travel minis for that purpose. But if you are a newbie to makeup, you have a young beauty dipping their toes into the makeup beauty spectrum, it's a really affordable way to try so many different brands, different products and stuff like that to kind of see if you like things before you go and pay full price to buy the full size. So with all that being said, oh, that's so pretty. It looks kind of 50s inspired in my opinione. It is a beautiful kind of corally pink with the red bow and then a kind of standard gold zipper pull. I think it's beautiful. Perfect for holiday. And it's lined on the inside. How cute! I did not plan this. Clearly, that's so cute. Okay, right on top I see LYS, which is a brand I love. This is the Confident Precision Makeup Sponge. Next up is the Tatcha the Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. I'm actually using this right now, a little mini. So I'm seeing that skincare I wanted, y'all. Next up is another tube. This is the Nena Body 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion. That also sounds great. Next up is the Nip Fab, the Vitamin C Fix Eye Cream. And last up in the OG Ipsy Glam bag is the Pixie by Petra Lip Glow Tinted Lip Balm in Ruby. That looks amazing. Okay, so we got the lip balm, an eye cream, a lotion, a sponge, and then a night cream as well. I think that's a well-curated bag. I'm gonna test this out for y'all. And again, this is the Pixie by Petra Lip Glow Tinted Lip Balm in Ruby. I've used Pixie for many years. I don't have a whole lot of their makeup products, but I've used their toners for a very long time. It is one of the clicky ones. So I'm going to assume if you take it up, you cannot take it down. Yes. So if you're going to use this, make sure you only put up just what you think you're going to use. All right. It's not quite as vibrant, which it's a balm. I didn't expect for it to be. I'm smelling a tiny kiss of mint. Not quite as red and punchy, but I think it's still beautiful. And I like this texture much better than the Tarte Maracuja ones. I don't understand why those are viral. They literally are just, they melt on the lips and just crumble and just gloop up everywhere. So I like the texture of this a lot. So I'm actually gonna keep this. I'm gonna put it right here in my everyday little makeup thing. Next up, I'll go into the Boxycharm by Ipsy, aka Ipsycharm. Ipsy, you should have named it Ipsycharm. And this is packaged well. You will also get a little pamphlet in here as well. This is Boxycharm December 2024 and Unwrap Joy. It'll give the theming and kind of some products and stuff that they've chosen for us for the month. First up, right on top, this feels heavy as heck, whatever this is. Wow. This is Dermalactive's Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. Yes, please. That sounds lovely. And y'all, look, you could hurt a hoe with this. You know what I'm saying? It is incredibly heavy. It is glass. And I mean, like, it's heavy. It is heavy. I really like the component too. Like, that's beautiful. Okay, look, they're giving me what I want so far. Next up is the Well People, the Clean Beauty Powered by Plants, the Expressionists Pro Mascara. And I actually think it's in brown. Oh, it is. It's in Pro Brown. All right, so far so good. Next up is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask for your hair. And I love Amika products. They smell so dang good, y'all. And of course, everything in here is a full size. Next up, I have the Volition, the Snow Mushroom Water Primer. That also sounds really nice. And then last but not least, hold on, let me get this out of my way, y'all. We got a little brown box, and y'all know that normally means what? Say it with me, y'all. Natasha Denona, Natasha Denona. This is the Rose and Wood eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. Oh. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, please be pretty, please be pretty, please be pretty. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Something beautiful, something glam, something we could do for the holidays, for New Year's. I love this. Pop on the matte in the crease, use any of these all over. I will swatch. Normally I would not because I don't always keep things from the box, but I'm definitely keeping this. And I like that there's like a shimmer to go with all of these. So that is the first four. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And then the last one. Yeah, I'm thrilled. I am absolutely thrilled. I got everything that I wanted. Something to nourish my hair, something to nourish my skin, something to nourish my lips. We've got a mascara and the palette. Like, how beautiful would this be? Especially with this being brown. You're gonna have glam, but a more subdued, kind of subtle glam, if you will. And I think this, like, if you were to get this and you were like, hey, you know, maybe it's not my favorite thing in the world, this would be the most beautiful gift for somebody. Put it in a cute little package, add maybe a lip product or something like that to this. I'm thrilled. I am 100% thrilled. This is everything that I anticipated it to be. I'm so excited. I will try to get a look up if you guys want to see. There's not much makeup for me to try on. If you do want to see these in action, please comment down below and I will get that up for you guys as quickly as I possibly can. Thank y'all so much for being here. Thank you to Ipsy for gifting. You guys are incredible. You guys have made this such a beautiful and incredible year for me. We recently hit 5,000 subscribers. I'm hoping y'all to get to 10,000 subscribers. That's kind of my goal here on my channel. So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Share it out if you do enjoy it. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are well. I hope you have a phenomenal holiday season. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.